Here we will write a Python program to find factorial of a number using recursion. So in comment line we will write. For this we will define one function factorial with one parameter. First we will check if value of n is equal to 0. So if n equal to 0, we will return 1. Else we will call the function factorial itself. So factorial of n minus 1, and outside the function we will accept number from the user. So n equal to int input, enter number to find factorial, and we will call the function factorial and we will pass n as a parameter. Since this function is returning only value, we will call this function in print statement. So print, we will print factorial of a number and we will call the function factorial of n, and we will execute this. I will enter number as 4. It will print factorial of number as 24. Since factorial is defined as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 24.